Hi everyone, today we are going to learn general knowledge questions and answers. What is the capital of Australia? Canberra. Name the longest river in the world. Nile. In which continent is the Sahara Desert located? Africa. What is the chemical symbol for gold? Argon. Who was the first president of the United States? George Washington. Who wrote Romeo and Juliet? William Shakespeare. How many continents are there in the world? 7. What is the currency of Japan? Yen. Which gas do plants absorb from the atmosphere during photosynthesis? Carbon dioxide. Thanks for watching.